Never mind. I know it.
For County and Central North Carolina, Central Harnett County and Central North Carolina, Eastern Montgomery County and Central North Carolina, Lee County and Central North Carolina, Southwestern County and Central North Carolina, West Central Johnson County and Central North Carolina, Southern Chatham County and Central North Carolina until 11:15 p.m. At 10:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cary to near Troy, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, county expected 11:15 p.m. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Sanford, Southern Pines, Smithfield, Pittsboro, Lillington, Troy, Carthage, and Garner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. And now taking a look at the forecast for the local area. Issued at 10:17 p.m.